We'll guide you through how to set up, change or remove the screen lock on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the screen lock is going to be securing your phone. So when we go and press the side button, we go and then swipe up, you'll go and see I've got the pin screen lock. Yours can be a pattern, it can be a password, or it can be nothing. So we're going to guide you through the different options you've got. To get started, let's go and unlock it for now. So just remember, if you're considering removing it, this does make your device very vulnerable because anybody can then just come and pick up your phone, press the button and go and start using it. They can access all your photos, your files, your messages, your search history. So do just consider that. It removes security from your device essentially. So it is a good idea to go and have something, but you can still go and remove it if you want to. Alternatively, you may currently have nothing and so you want to go and set it up, or you want to go and change it to another method. We're going to be guiding you through this in this video. So without any further ado, let's go and get into it. So with it unlocked and on the home screen, we need to go and swipe up. What you need to do is go and head to your settings. So you can swipe across and find it, search for the top, or just come to the first page. And in here, you should go and find settings and you can then go and tap on it. Now in settings, what we need to do is go and head to the lock screen settings. So you can go and scroll down and go and find lock screen. If you're struggling to go and find it, press search in the top right. Then you can go and type in lock and it should go and find it. Just be patient here as it has got to go and search your entire settings for the option and then we can go and find lock screen. So we can go and tap on it and it will then bring you into it. So if you're considering of removing it, a great feature you could consider is extending the unlock. So essentially, if I go and enter this in now, with it, it's going to go and keep your phone unlocked when it's with you. It can go and recognize when you're holding it, you're near your home or another trusted place, or your watch or another trusted device nearby. So that is a good thing to consider. But to continue with the guide, you want to go and find the screen lock type at the top, enter in your current one if you have one set up, and then we can go and press continue. Now you can go and see at the moment I've got a pin set. So I could go and change it to a password. So that's going to be numbers and letters or either one of them. Pattern, which is drawing on the screen, swipe, which is nothing, you swipe up, or there's none. If it's set to none, when you go and press the side button, then it will just go immediately go to the home screen. So you can go and choose the option you want, and at the bottom you've also got biometrics as well. So in this case, I'm going to go and set up a pattern instead. So I'll tap that there, and then what we can do is go and do it like so and press continue. I can then go and confirm it and press confirm. And now the next time I go and lock my phone and go and unlock it like this, you go and see I then need to go and do it. So there we go. Let's set it to none though. Let me go and set that now. I could go and set it to none like this. And if it's set to none, I'll go and press the side button and then press it again. And you'll then go and see it is immediately unlocked. So there we have it. So they're the different options you've got. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.